Once you have created the instance and you have accessed it, then the next experiment which we are going to perform, that is how to launch a IIS instance on it. So just launching a web server is our task. So we can click on start. Then after that we have to click on server manager. So we need to click on add roles and features. It will take some time to do the process because this is a long task, so it will take some time. It will manage its inventory and then it will simply start the process. So it will take some time. So now we are having files and storage services available. So we can click add and new roles, click next. Installation type will be on the basis of roles. Then server selection is the from the same server which we are using. Then in this case we are going to move to the bottom and we are going to install a web server. So there are different type of servers which are available. We can have a DHCP server, DNS server, FileFX server, then Hyper-V network controller. But what we are going to do in this experiment is installing a web server. So click on web server, add the features, click next. Then you have to simply use the framework of 4.7. Now then it will start installing it. You have to click on install. So it will take some time to complete this installation. This installation might take 2 to 5 minutes to complete, and once it is completed we will be able to access this server by using the HTTP protocol, because now we have created a HTTP server or web server for us. Now how to access that web server? We will do it from the browser of your own local machine. You can access it from anywhere. You can use the same IP address which we used to access the RDP protocol. So we can use the same address to access this HTTP server. So as it is installing, so it will take a few more moments. So till that time, let us just move to the topic. So now in this case, we are having this IP address with us. This is our public IP. We can simply put this public IP here, and when the process of installation will complete on our remote system at this place, once it is completed, so we will be able to access it. So let us just wait for a moment. Now this is successful, so we can simply minimize this, and now as you can see, this Windows server is now online. So you can host your websites on a AWS instance. So this is the process to launch a IIS server. So now if you want, you can host your websites, whatsoever data you want to put, you can do all that stuff. Now you are having a web server available. This is the tutorial for connecting your EC2 instance and installing a internet information service on your system.